A ghost who is a husband and father of two is passing through the world in order to find his family, who doesn't know he's dead. He falls in love with a woman and gets married. He doesn't want to tell her who he is because he worries she will leave him if she knows. Years go by and they have a daughter together. One day the ghost tells his wife that he is actually dead, and she's so angry she totally rejects him and the two divorce. The daughter, now old enough to understand what happened, goes to her mother and says Daddy's not alive like you are. The mother then becomes angry at her daughter for giving up on her father and refuses to speak with her again. The ghost continues to wander around after being rejected by everyone he loves, unable to find peace before passing away for good.